What's up, all my lovelies? Hope all of you are doing well. And the thing is, right now, okay, we can pass through here. Okay, so the thing is that I actually just left from work, but later on I might have to come back to work. But I was actually going for the gym, and well, I have a couple of hours until it's final if I have to come back to work or not. So on this drive I thought I would just tag you people along and talk to you guys, because this is actually what I enjoy the most, showing you people around. By the way, this is Prince Turki Road here in Riyadh. It's just the start of this Prince Turki Road, and it's a long one actually. So the fitness time branch that I'm going to, it's in the Olaya View Mall, like next to it, and it's 6.6 kilometers, but there's some traffic, as you see. There in the distance I can see the Kingdom Tower, and that is exactly where I have to go, because this fitness time branch is almost next to it. So from very far you can say that it's almost in the footsteps of the Kingdom Tower. I can see the Kingdom Tower from here, but it's, I think, quite far for the camera to capture. Yeah, so maybe you are seeing this in the distance. Well, let's see. So there you see there are signs for Kharaj, Dammam, Qasim, Kharaj. So if you want to go to Kharaj, you have to go like this, and to the side. If you have to go to Dammam, you go straight like this, and if you have to go to Qasim, you go here and then you go straight. Actually my finger just touched the screen, so well, we have to actually clean this mark. Okay, yeah, it's done. So here we are. So here we go. We are not at the traffic signal, the previous one, but we are at the next one, and I hope that we can just pass through this while it's green. And anyways, it's the first, like, a proper working day here in Saudi Arabia. Usually it starts from Saturday, but for most of the people Saturday is also off. And well, for me it starts from Saturday, but today is Sunday. In other parts of the world, the weekends are like Saturday, Sunday. Here it's Friday, Saturday, and many people just have Friday off, including myself. And well, it's actually okay. One day a week off is actually okay. You have to do something in life. You have to feel fulfilled. You have to bring some contribution and value creation in the world. And that cannot be done by taking 2 days off, unless you are at a point where you can leverage, and that's a different concept. So let's say you don't want to work like 6-7 days a week, but you have people that can work for you. So you have leveraged the manpower, you have leveraged the labor to do what you could have done. So that sort of stuff can be seen. Or let's say you get your hands on some technology that increases your productivity or your impact So leverage is quite important as well to understand and to also take benefit from in our lives and matters. Now we'll be taking an exit from here. When I came to Riyadh last year, I actually came at the end of 2023, so later on they were actually painting all this underpass and the designs that you see right now, like you see on this wall. So I remember when this was being done. If you commute from here, do you remember as well? So the maps is suggesting a couple of places that I can go from here or from there. Let's see. So here we are, and now we are gonna get stuck in the traffic up ahead. There's gonna be more traffic over there. We could have taken the overhead bridge, but well, missed it, and here we are. But it's okay, Adi. There's some building over here, Gladiolus. That's the name what they have written on the boards. And there's the Kingdom Tower. See? There's the Kingdom Tower. Wonderful. We need to come over here. Please give us some space. Thank you. Thank you. Stay blessed. A G2 or T2. Come on, if you need to come here. And we also need to actually make another turn in to this side. But let's see. So that's my colleague, and well, we'll let him go over here. So also this section of the road is actually quite congested, because the traffic that wants to come on to the King Fahd road, it's way too much actually. There's the Kingdom Tower. If you see, there's the Kingdom Tower. So the traffic light turned green, so let's see when this segment starts to move. But this is the side view of the Kingdom Tower, you see. Wonderful. Let's move, everyone. Let's move. Let's move. Come on, come on, come on. Very good. Now we can at least cross this at the next turn. Also, there are some very high-end brands over here. There's also a store of Caterpillar in this building and also over there in that building as well. I've been there. What do we have over there? Calvin Klein, Michael Kors, Karl Lagerfeld, DKNY, Boss. That's the stuff over there. Let's check on some messages. How's your day going? How's your first day of the week? By the way, I actually had to adjust it. Now it's adjusted. We also need to bring it to the center. We need to bring this clip over here. Okay. It's actually quite sturdy and it's quite stubborn. Oh goodness. I'll do it later, but let's see how's the image coming through. It's Mumtaz. Very good. Also lately I've been seeing a lot of Changan vehicles on the road. So the thing is that on that side is the gym, so the drive is not that significant. We just have to cross this King Fahd road. So I'll end the video over here and inshallah we'll meet afterwards. These are the scenes, just so you know, on a Sunday evening here in Riyadh. You get to face a lot of traffic, and well, the traffic started moving, so we'll just record the remaining part as well. We shall do that. And now the next challenge is finding space in the parking lot of the gym. Okay. There's fitness time. This is the King Fahd road. Where can I go from? Okay. I might have to go to that side, but well, this guy over there, that is stopping the traffic from going over there. Someone just parked their car in between and just went from here. How is that so? Or maybe I should just go back and come in from the other side. Let's see. how are we gonna get through here? There's no space on that side either, so we have to go from here. But like how? Let's see if there's space over here. I'll have to make a turn. At least there's an old man climbing the vehicle. Let's see. Okay, so we also go from here. Thanks, man. Some people just park their vehicles in between and it's causing a lot of inconvenience. Like the guy, he had to go into an odd spot and then come back reversing. That ain't good, man. That ain't good. I was actually gonna end the video, but here you see the reality of, well, just being here in Riyadh. So I will park the car over here because I found a space. Check this out. We have some space over here. Let's hope it's enough for everyone to open their doors. Yes, it will be. Mumtaz. So someone sitting in this car will have to sit from the other side, but we can give this guy some margin. So what we do, we'll make some margin for that car, and then we park like this. Best. So it's time to end the video. I'll go to the gym and then we'll meet again.